just follow it one by one.
One at a time, boys. He's like, what was that? You've got to be able to do a better shot than that. There it is on his head. Look at his teeth.
Okay, let me just go one in the back.
Go on.
Okay. Good boy.
Yo!
That big one, get it everything. Guys, give me a bit further, please.
I'm gonna get that
Go on.
Slowly, one at a time. Perfect, doll. Another one.
He's waiting. Hold on, boy.
Hold on! I'm gonna give one
Want me to
a
hold it?
banana to that hot one. I'm gonna give a banana to the hot one. I froze both of the bananas. I gave both the babies
Got
bananas.
it, got it, got it, got it. There it is.
Oh, we're running out. We're running out. There's only one more.
Yeah, you got to chop it in half then. Look at him sleeping like that.
Banana food. Ready? I can't.
Okay.
John.
Oh, perfect shot, Al.
Give it to me.
It's crazy. They never talk.
What's that?
You can put it right down their gullets. It falls in their gullets and they're still just eating fine.
Look at his mouth.
Mister! Mister! Mister!
Go on to me.
Right.
It takes so long.
Is he?
Buddy! What's on banana?
Half it, Tom. Oh, chop in half.
Buddy! Buddy!
Ready?
No, he's not. He's just enjoying the food.
You just like feed me.
Oh, God. Somebody? Somebody?
Let me get you, Al. Let me go you. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, go. Almost.